Alright, Dad couldn't find a ball. That's the reason why I had to stop the video.
That's right.
Spare. We'd like to bowl one more game if we have time.
We do.
No, Dad, I don't want to make too much videos.
Alright.
Good job.
Good shot.
Watch this.
Good shot. Nice shot.
Wow. S-B-A-R-E. S-B-A-R-E. 5 minutes left. Whoa.
You beat these guys first game. Hey, you beat these guys first game.
Alright, Dad. Videotape me.
It's okay. Okay. This is a different ball today.
I'll see if I can beat you in the last frame. Oh. Alright, it's my turn. Oh, good.
Okay, right down the middle. Concentrate. Perfect. Good shot. Okay, aim for the pins. Concentrate. Oh, almost. Watch your steady stroke.
Alright. After Dad finishes 10 frames here, we're gonna end the video. Alrighty. Keep that in the square with just 0 minutes left. That's the timer bowl, and as you can see, we're finishing 10 frames here in the second game.